Hello dear friends، أهلا بيكم بناتي وأولادي طلاب الصف الخامس الابتدائي ودرس جديد في مادة الرياضيات تحت رعاية وإشراف وزارة التربية والتعليم. Our lesson today is called the universal and the complement of a set. This is also a topic concerning the lesson that we call sets. It's just a complementary part, or in other words احنا بنكمل على درس السيتس اللي احنا كنا ابتدينا فيه من قبل، فبناخد new idea in this lesson. زي ما احنا شايفين قدامنا دي السيمبلز بتاعت اليونيفرسال والكومبلمنت اوف a set. اليونيفرسال شوية شبه اليونيون زي ما كنا أخدينها قبل كده اللي هي اليو الكبيرة، and the complement of a set الداش اللي بتيجي بعد الست، وهنشوف ده معناه ايه واستعمالهم ايه. For example, the diagram that we see in front of us, this is a diagram of two intersecting sets, set A and set B. بس لو أخدنا بالنا this time ال two sets دول أو ال Venn diagram of the two intersecting circles موجود جوه box, and at the top left hand side of this box you can see the letter U or the symbol U, and this is the symbol that represents the universal of a set, and the universal set is the mother of all sets. It is the biggest set of all. The definition, as we see, universal set, it is the mother set which includes all the given subset. It means that all the sets that we have here belong to or found in the universal set. يعني زي ما احنا شايفين set A و set B وأي حاجة كمان براهم كلهم موجودين جوه البوكس ده اللي هو اسمه universal set أو the mother set، لأنه دي الأكبر set في كل السيتس وبيبقى جواها كل الاليمنتس. كل السيتس are subset of this set. So if A, as you see in the diagram, equals to the set of elements 2, 4, 9, 10, 3, 5, 13, and 14, and B is the set of elements 1, 11, 12, 15, 13, 3, 5, 13, and 14. كده خلاص قلنا sets A and B. لو أخدنا بالنا إحنا عندنا some elements are just flying around them اللي هما 6, 7, 8, and 16. So the universal set represented by the U is 2, 4, 9, 10, 3, 5, 13, 14, 1, 11, 12, 15, 6, 7, 8, and 16. يعني هي فيها ال elements of the set A, the elements of the set B, and the other elements which are flying around the set A and B. يعني كل ال elements الموجودة عندي inside this box, all of them belong to the universal set or the mother set. Okay? Now, let's write the suitable universal set for each. Letter A, if X equal the set of elements Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and Y equals the set of elements Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. As you see, X and Y this time, they are consisted of the elements or consisted of days of the week. So here, I want to know the universal set. And as we said before, the universal set is the mother of all sets. So it includes, or all the other sets are found in the universal set, or the U. يبقى هنا U equals Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. يعني فيها كل days of the week. Okay? Now Let's move to another example. If X equals the set of math teachers in your school. يعني X جواها or its set consisted of the math teachers, all the math teachers in your school. And Y equals the set of science teachers in your school. يبقى X the set of math teachers and Y is the set of science teachers. And I want to know the U or the universal set. As we said, the universal set is the mother set and it has all the other sets subset from it or subset in it. Okay, then U is the set of all math and science teachers in your school. كل حاجة فيها. Now let's move to another expression which is called the complement set. What is the complement set? The complement set A with regard to the set U is written as A complement. The dash that you see here, is complement. A complement. Okay? Then A complement is the set of elements that does not belong to A in U. يعني لما تكون عندي الست A جوه الست U وأنا عايزة أعرف ال A complement. ال A complement دي معناها كل الاليمنتس اللي موجودة جوه U بس ملهاش علاقة بال A، مش موجودة بالست A. أوكي؟ فأي element تاني مش جوه الست A يبقى هو ده A complement، المكمل ل A، مكمل للست A يعني أصلا مش موجود فيها. أوكي؟ Let's take an example. As you see in the following diagram, I have the set A, this blue one. Its elements are 3, 4, and 5. And I have outside the set A, I have the elements 1, 2, and 6. Okay? يعني A هتبقى the elements 3, 4, and 5. And the universal set here is 1, 2, 6, 3, 4, and 5. لأنه A is a subset of U. طيب, I want to know A complement is equal to what? Okay? If A is the set of elements 3, 4, and 5 يبقى على طول ال A complement هتكون ال elements اللي مش موجودة في الست A، هتبقى ال elements المكملة للست A which are here 1, 2, and 6. يبقى ال A complement is the set of all elements that don't belong to the set A in U. Okay? Then A complement is the set of elements 1, 2, and 6. Now let's move to another example. In the opposite diagram, I have here the universal set 1, 2, and 6 again, and the set A 3, 4, and 5. We said that A is 3, 4, and 5, or the set of elements 3, 4, and 5. And A complement, as we said before, it is the set of all elements that don't belong to A or are not a part of A in U, which are 1, 2, and 6. These are facts. هنقول دلوقتي some of the facts concerning this lesson or this part of the lesson. A union, A complement is equal to U. زي ما احنا شايفين في الدايجرام ده ال elements in the set A are 3, 4, and 5. The elements outside A or the elements of the set A complement are 1, 2 and 6. فلما هقول A union A complement معناها إنه كل elements اللي في set A and the elements اللي في A complement لما هنحطهم مع بعض هنلاقي إن هما equal to the mother set which is the U or the universal set. Okay? Another fact, A union universal set equals the universal set. يعني A union A which is 3, 4 and 5 union the universal set اللي هي 3, 4, 5, 1, 2 and 6 is also equals to the universal set U. A intersect A complement in nothing. phi. ما ينفعش إن هما يبقى في بينهم أي intersection أو أي common elements لأنه ال A complement دي الحاجات المكملة للست A فما ينفعش يبقى في بينهم أي common elements فبالتالي A intersect A complement has to be equal to phi. The universal complement also is equal to phi. لأنه universal, as we said before, it is the mother of all sets. So all the elements in all the sets inside the U belongs to or they are found in U. فلما هقول U complement أو في عندي إيه الست المكملة للuniversal set هلاقي إنه ما فيش لأن كل elements جواها كل السets بتاعتها جواها. يبقى الانسر is phi as well. أيا كان الست الموجودة جوا الuniversal set عندي ف if I get its complement and I said the complement of this complement is equals to what دي هتبقى equal للست نفسها. يعني أنا لما هقول هنا إنه ال complement of set A is 1, 2 and 6 وأجي أقول طب ال complement بقى بتاع ال 1, 2 and 6 ده هيكون إيه؟ هلاقي إن ال complement بتاع ال 1, 2 and 6 is 3, 4 and 5 which is the set A. Okay. A new example. Here in the diagram that you see in front of you, I have the mother set, frame أحمر بتاعها, the universal set, and inside the universal sets I have the two sets A and B. The set A is the set of elements 9, 10, 3 and 14. And the set B is the set of elements 1, 11, 12 and 3 and 14 as well. So here I want to know, and I have by the way 6 and 8 they are flying outside the two sets A and B. As you see here 6 and 8 they don't belong to either set A nor neither set A nor set B. Okay, so here the first question, A union B is equal to what? A union B, as you remember, we said before that the union, it means that I want all the elements that are found in both sets without repeating the common elements. يبقى أنا هكتب كل ال elements الموجودة عندي من غير ما هكرر ال common elements. Okay? So A union B is the set of elements 9, 10, 3, 14, 1, 11 and 12. Okay? Now I will move to the second question. A intersect B. Again, we said before that the intersection of two sets is the elements or the set of elements which is common between the two sets. يعني هشوف ال elements الموجودة عندي في set A وال elements الموجودة في set B وهاخد ال common elements بتاعتهم. This is going to be the set of intersection بين ال two sets. So here in the set A I have the elements 9, 10, 3 and 14 and in the set B, I have the elements 1, 11, 12, 3, and 14. And as you see, the two sets, they intersect in the elements 3 and 14. Then A intersect B equals the set of elements 3 and 14. Now, I want you to give me the answer for the universal set. What is the set of elements of the U? As we said, the U is the mother of all sets, so it has all the elements, or all the elements inside the U, they are a part of, or they belong to the set U. So here the U is the elements in the set A, the elements in the set B, and the elements which are flying outside the two sets. So it will be equal to 9, 10, 3, 14, 1, 11, 12, and 6 and 8. If you notice here, the universal set is equal to the A union B plus the elements which are flying outside. So the universal set is equal to A union B plus the other elements which are flying outside. Okay, now I want the A complement. The A complement is the set of elements which are not in A, which complete A, in U. يبقى كل الاليمنتس الموجوده in U مش in B بس، لا in U، كل الاليمنتس موجوده in U بس مش موجوده in A. فهيبقى عندي الاليمنتس بتاعه A 9 10 3 and 14 هبعد عنهم خالص وهاخد كل الاليمنتس بعد كده اللي موجوده in U غير الاليمنتس دي which are 1 11 12 6 and 8. Okay, let's move to another example. Here I have the two sets A and B inside U. The set A is consisted of the elements 1, 2, and 3, and the set B is the set of elements of 2, 4, and 5. And I have 7 and 8 flying around. The universal set here equals to, again, universal set. Remember, the mother of all sets. Then the universal set here هتبقى فيها the set A, elements of set A, elements of set B, and any other element that is flying around. So, here the universal set will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8. Now, A union B, it means the set of elements of A and B without repeating the common elements. الelements موجودة في set A والelements الموجودة في set B من غير ما أكرر أي common elements between them. Okay? So it is going to be the set of elements 1, 3, 2, 4, and 5. وماليش دعوة بال 7 and 8 which are flying outside. لأنه أنا هنا مش بسأل على universal set. أنا هنا عايزة A union B. Now, A intersect B. A intersect B in which element? Here, their intersection element is only 2 this time. So, A intersect B in 2, or the set of element 2. Now, I want the complement of the set A. يبقى A complement عندي أي element موجود in U بس مش موجود في A. يبقى على طول ال elements of the set A 1 2 and 3 عندي one of two options. يا إما برجع للdiagram that I have here وآخد منه ال elements اللي مش موجودة في A، أو إني هرجع للي أنا حليته من شوية U وهشيل منها ال elements of the set A. I will cancel them which are 1 2 and 3 وهيبقوا الباقيين عندي اللي هم 4 5 7 and 8 دول ال complement of the set A. يبقى في الحالة دي أنا بيبقى عندي one of two options. أول option إن أنا I check الدايجرام وأبدأ أشوف عندي إنه دي ال A أهي، وآخد بقية ال elements اللي مش موجودة في ال A زي ال 4 وال 5 7 and 8 اللي بره، أو إن أنا هشوف ال universal set اللي أنا عملتها and then I go back to the elements of the set A, I cross them and I will take the rest of the elements which are not included in the set A. Okay, so the answer will be the set of elements 4 5 7 and 8. Now I move to set B. Okay, here I want the B complement. This time أنا عايزة بقى ال complement بتاعت set B مش set A. برضو I have one of two options. يا إما I will refer to the diagram that I have here and the set B is the one in blue. Okay, and فيها 2 4 and 5 و مش هاخدهم، هاخد ال 1 3 8 and 7، أو إنه أنا أرجع للuniversal set اللي أنا كنت لسه شغالة بيها وهشوف ال elements of the set B which are 2 4 and 5 and I cross them 2 with 2 4 with 4 and 5 with 5 وبعدين هاخد الفاضلين دول هيبقوا الانسر بتاعي ال B complement. So it will be 1 3 7 and 8. يبقى I remember always when I answer the complement of a set or get the complement of a set، يا إما هروح للdiagram that I have وهعلم على السيت بتاعي دي إنه أنا مش عايزة دي، أنا عايزة كل الاليمنتس التانية اللي حواليها وأبدأ أختارهم، أو إنه أنا أجيب اليونيفرسال set وأجيب السيت اوف elements بتاعت السيت اللي أنا عايزة الكومبلمنت بتاعه وبكروس them together واللي يتبقى عندي هو ده الكومبلمنت of the set. Okay. Now we have this example that we will go to the board to answer together. Okay, let's answer this question. If I have you the universal set 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, the set X is 3 4 and 5 and the set Y is 1 2 and 3, and I want to get first the complement of the set X. يبقى أكيد هختار كل ال elements اللي موجودة in U بس مش موجودة in X, which is going to be 1 2 هسيب 3 4 and 5 then I'll take the 6. Okay, then it will be 1 2 and 6. Now the complement of Y, Y is 1 2 and 3. يبقى هاخد كل ال elements اللي في U بس مش معاهم 1 2 and 3 because this is the set Y. Then it's going to be 4 5 and 6. Now I want to know X intersect Y in what? Again, the common element between X and Y, I have only 3 as a common element. So they have the common element 3 or they intersect in the element 3. Now, if I want X intersect Y complement, يبقى أنا عايزة كل ال elements اللي في universal set أو في U ما عدا ال intersection element بتاعت X and Y which is 3. يبقى هيكونوا كل ال elements اللي في U ما عدا 3 which are 1 2 4 5 and 6. Now X union Y, again all the elements in X and Y but don't repeat the common elements. So it's going to be 3, 4, 5, 1, and 2. And I will ignore the other 3 because I took it already at the beginning. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I want the complement of x union y. يبقى هاخد الاليمنت اللي فيه مش موجود في x union y، وفي الحالة دي أنا مش عندي غير الاليمنت 6. Now x complement union y complement، فعندي x complement فوق 1 2 and 6، وعندي y complement فوق حلتها 4 5 and 6. يبقى x complement union y complement is 1 2 6 4 and 5, and I will ignore the other 6 because we took it already in the beginning, so I will write it only one time. And x complement intersect y complement, again I have here x complement 1 2 and 6, y complement 4 5 and 6. يبقى the common element between both of them is the 6 only, then they will intersect in 6. That's all for this example. Let's go back and finish our work. Now we have this question, or our last question for now. If x equals the set of elements 5, 7, 9, and 11, then u here is equal what? Equals the set of prime numbers, or the set of odd numbers, or the set of even numbers. Concentrate because two of these might be a bit confusing. Some of you might get confused between the set of prime numbers and the set of odd numbers. But if you look carefully, you will see that we have a 9 here, and the 9 is not a prime number. So the answer will be the set of odd numbers. That's all for now. Study well. See you soon. Bye.